Today we are going to learn a subtraction of 16-bit data which is stored in register pair and in memory location. So our program is write an ALP to subtract 16-bit data stored in register pair BC from 16-bit data stored at memory 2000. That is not only in 2000, it is a 16-bit data, mind it. So it takes two memory location. 2000 is the LSB and MSB will be stored at 2001 hex. And we have to store the result at the end of program. That is very important. So here memory location where the result is to be stored is not declared directly. It is given that after our program coding, at the end we have to write the answer or store the answer. So here we have to subtract data stored in register pair BC, that is C contain LSB data and B contain MSB data, which is to be subtracted from the data stored at 2000 and 2001 hex. Here as there is subtraction, first which data has to be brought into accumulator. We have to load accumulator first from 2000 hex, then subtract data in register C from it, and then make subtraction of higher bit data with considering previous borrow, and then we have to store the result. So algorithm for this program is start load accumulator directly from 2000 hex, then that data is directly come to the LSB data come to the accumulator. Now we use subtract instruction, subtract data in register C from accumulator, so that we get subtraction of LSB part. Now we have to store this data after program segment, that is after our RST location. Now again load accumulator directly from 2001 hex, so it will bring that data from 2001 hex to accumulator. Now directly we have to subtract data in register B from accumulator, but at this time we have to consider previous borrow. If borrow is generated, then this borrow will be subtracted first from the accumulator, and then data in register B will be subtracted from it. So subtract register B with borrow, and now we are again storing this accumulator result to the next location where the last location is B. Then stop or restart. I draw flowchart over here. You have to just copy this flowchart. Now coming towards coding. So in flowchart the important thing is that at this in this flowchart I am drawing this connectivity part A. In previous flowchart I am not drawing this. I am fully drawing flowchart on a single page, but for this I am drawing it half on one side and half on other side with connectivity block A. Why? Because you should know that when we draw flowchart and it ended on the next page, we have to do connectivity. So A is the connectivity block, it makes connectivity with the flow. Okay, now coming towards coding of the program. So here we choose memory location B000 hex to store our program. So starting memory B00 hex, label start, and first instruction that we have to use is LDA, which load accumulator directly. And from which memory we have to load this accumulator? 2000 hex. So our mnemonics is LDA 2000 hex. So this will load 8-bit data from location 2000 hex to accumulator. Opcode is 0020. As 3-byte instruction it will take 3 memory location B000, B001, B002. The next instruction to this is subtract instruction. We subtract that data in register C from accumulator, so subtract C. It is 1-byte instruction, it will take only one memory. The next instruction is to store the answer. Now STA we are using, store accumulator direct. Which location we have to store, that we will find afterwards after completely writing the program. Just initially we have to consider 3 memory location B004, B005, B006, because it is a 3-byte instruction. It will store the result to the specified memory location. Now the next instruction is to brought the MSB data from memory location 2001 hex to accumulator. So we use LDA over here, load accumulator direct from 2001 hex, and after loading it it is 3 byte instruction again, so B007, B008 and B009 3 memory it will take. We will subtract data in register B, but in this subtraction we have to subtract considering previous borrow, so it is very important. So we are not write SUB, we write SBBB. So it will subtract that 8-bit data in register B considering previous borrow. Now the accumulator result again is to be stored in memory location which is at the next memory for the above data previously which we stored. So here we are writing STA, and I am writing no memory location here, clearly seen. Why? Because understand that after completion of program we have to fill this memory location. So STA, it will take 3 byte, B00B, B00C, B00D, and last instruction is of course RST. After RST our data should be get stored. So B00E and B00F and B0010 are our memory location where we have to store the data. So in our first STL instruction I am writing memory locations here, B00F. So and in next STA it is B010. Getting? Here our data at the end of this program, data will be get stored. So this is 16-bit subtraction of data using subtraction method. Thank you.